You didn't even have any of that recorded? Now you made him mad. You made him mad. We have to go hide somewhere. I don't like when people come near me. Let's go by the toilet. Yeah, we have to do that somewhere. You missed when the grandma was on to me earlier. Well, and these people are selling stuff, so we can't go this way. Look, I just seen them with like a clipboard. Okay, come down this aisle. Now we have to film my brand thing. He said he doesn't want to promote anything. It's not promoting anything. It's a sticker of my bird. Anyway, we can't go this way. There's people selling stuff. Huh? There's these two people that are standing there with like an iPad and they were selling stuff. Yeah. So whoever wants to deal with that can do that. It won't be me. What was it, like gel? It's probably not down here. Look, epoxy. Decorative chips. You do this and you throw it.
For now.
In your garage.
No, those are cool.
Yeah, I can do that for you. It's easy. I've seen it on TikTok. Who's banging? Yeah.
So cool, huh?
Let's go. Thank you. Into the oven.